Agnimile Broidam Yagyasya Devamidir Vijam. This is the first sloka of the Rig Veda. The Vedas are four: Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, and then later on Atharva Veda. Vedas were not written by human beings, Anadi and Apurusha. The Vedas were in the vacuum even before the gods. Vyasa did not write the Vedas. He composed them and edited them into four. Vyasa means editor. His original name was Badrinarayanan. He edited the Vedas into four: Rig Veda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, and Atharvana Veda. We will discuss this